In the beginning, the earth was formless and empty. Darkness covered the deep waters, and the Spirit of God hovered over the waters. Nothing existed except God, whose power and wisdom would bring everything into existence. Today, we will journey through the magnificent story of creation, where God formed the heavens, the earth, and all life in 6 days, resting on the seventh. God said, "Let there be light," and light appeared. He separated the light from the darkness, calling the light day and the darkness night. This was the first day, where God introduced order to the void, showing that even in nothingness, His word brings life and clarity. On the second day, God said, "Let there be an expanse in the midst of the waters, to separate water from water." And so, God created the sky above and the waters below. The heavens stretched wide, forming a canopy over the earth, a perfect space for life to flourish. God gathered the waters into one place so that dry land appeared, calling it earth, and the waters seas. Then God commanded the earth to bring forth plants, trees, and all kinds of vegetation. From towering trees to tiny grass, creation began to display color, texture, and variety, an expression of God's creativity. On the fourth day, God said, "Let there be lights in the expanse of the heavens to separate day from night, and to mark seasons, days, and years." He placed the sun to rule the day, the moon to rule the night, and countless stars to light the darkness. The universe reflected God's order and precision. God filled the waters with living creatures, fish of every kind, and the skies with birds, from the smallest sparrow to the largest eagle. God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, filling the waters and the sky." Creation teemed with life, moving and flying in harmony. God made all kinds of animals, livestock, wild beasts, and creeping things. But the pinnacle of His creation was humanity. God said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness." He created Adam and Eve, giving them understanding, creativity, and the responsibility to care for all creation. God gave humanity dominion over the earth, the seas, and the skies, instructing them to tend and cultivate His creation. This showed that humans are not just part of creation but caretakers, entrusted with preserving God's beautiful work. On the seventh day, God finished His work and rested, blessing the day and making it holy. This day reminds us of the importance of rest and reflection, a time to appreciate God's creation and His perfect order. The story of creation is a testament to God's wisdom, power, and love. From light to humans, every element was made with purpose. As we look at the world today, the sky, the seas, the animals, and each other, we are reminded of the beauty and order that God brought into existence in 6 days. Click the subscribe button for more videos.